Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm here to make this video because lately I've been getting a lot of questions on how to fix Quality Wing 757 FMC and the panel. This is an old video I made 2 years ago. I don't do FSX anymore.
We don't have that problem.
But I'm
It was missing that one simple to put.
Anyway, when you normally get your plane, this is what it looks like, and this is the FMC issue right here that we're having. This is an old video of mine that I had, and I'm going to show you guys how to change this panel and the FMC to look like, where's it at? Right here. There you go. To look like this, and when you hit pole position, you don't get this. Alright, so let's get into it right now. We're going to fix this problem right now. So we don't need this anymore. Let's shut that down. And let me minimize my OBS here. Alright, first thing is first. Let's talk about the FMC. How do we get the FMC to work, right? Let me go to my downloads. I have a little folder that I created. And here, you go online, whatever browser you use, Google, Internet Explorer, doesn't matter, and you're looking for Windows 7 default font download. Find one. Here, I click the first one, right click, whatever, and there. Default Windows 7 font. Download it. And I'll leave this here for a moment for you guys can see it. Pause it, write down the address there, or just simple write it like you see it here, and there, well, that's Microsoft crap. So anyway, download it is the write that down on a little piece of paper, type it and write it. Okay, once you download it, I don't know what kind of zip file you use, open it and click in here, and we're going to look for Latha. It's in the L's. Where's the L's? Here we go, Latha. Alright, so the easiest way, instead of install, that's not going to function. The best way is to copy it. I don't need that no more. Go into your Windows, hit settings, find the setting, just type in font. There we go. Click on font. Right click, paste it. I already have it. I know it's this folder right here. It says Wingding 2 regular, because I did it. The problem is there's two of them, and I'm not sure if I could delete this. Right? The thing is that the font, Latha, actually, you know what? Right here, I just saw Latha. Latha regular, there you go. I downloaded it, right click on the, what is it? I did this right click situation and install. Oh my goodness, I'm bugging out. Here we go. Latha. I did this, install. It did not work. The best way is, again, copy the folder, close this, go into your Windows settings, write the word font, open the folder, right click any edge there and paste it. Close it up. Now, your FMC should be working. It should be on the money, just like the 737 PMDG type of way. Right? Common sense. Second, How do we get the panels on the plane? Well, I went here. You go into your Quality Wing 757 repaint manager, and it looks like this. I'll say main because this is a default. All right. Let me give you guys a heads up. The C328 retrofit cockpit, first of all. Right? Honestly, I didn't see any change on it. Try it. It says retro there. Click on that. Click on that. Install it. But I'm going to do it the old school way. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to select this livery. The 200 PW. And we're going to click install repaint. Well, in my downloads, I have a folder named Quality Wings Livery for 757 liners, right? 200s. This is the 200. This is the 2F. That's the 300. And I believe it has to do a lot with delivery. So, for example, I'll pick American Airlines. There's American Airlines right there. Okay. So I know it's already installed. It says it's check retro. Close that up. And let's open FSX. You're going to see this nonsense here popping up in a second because I have so many add-ons. And I mean literally so many from Steam, you know. I just took them all out because honestly, there was just wasting my space, you know, taking a lot of it. I only have a 1 terabyte card in SSD, and believe me, if you take 1 terabyte with all your sim stuff, like my stuff, I'm just talking from my behalf, that you're going to have a lot of issues with frame rates and whatnot. Anyway, so let's go. We did all those steps already. So let's go in here. Let's look for the 757. Quality Wing Sim. And there's American Airlines. Now, you know, if you install this, the default one, which is that one, and it's this one, they're both the same, right? Let's say, let's just go to, let's go to Kennedy. What the hell? It doesn't matter. Let's see what the real weather looks like. Winds are 175 at 6. Okay. So anyways, let me just reset the time. We are Kennedy. And here's the 757 American Airlines add-on livery. And yeah, I have been having a lot of questions. If you go to my channel and you click on it, you're going to see all the questions I get. And I'm having this issue. I have Windows 10. I cannot. It's not working for me. Everything is black. Well, I'm redoing it here, explaining to you guys how I did it. You know, so I show you guys that I'm going to install the default. I think I chose the default, did I? Yes. We're going to look at the default plane. You know, it's a pain in the butt. I understand, you know. It's just annoying. I understand. I have a question out there for you, Simmers, or anybody. I'm having an issue. Like, is there a way to make this plane cold dark? If so, I have no clue how to do it. Let me see what livery is this. This is the default one. Right. So, there. And you can see here, it's all default look, you know. But look, remember I told you about the FMC. When you click on it, post position, normally you get this dotted line up here, and it says ref airport. That's all you're going to get. Ref airport and a little dotted line. You don't get none of this. Now you can mess around and, choose your destination and all that. We know we are at Kennedy. I know that much. And let's just go to KATL. All right, let's go to Atlanta. For example. I don't even know what runway this is right now. I believe this is 4 left. It looks like 4 left to me. Anyway, that's not important. So, departure, I'm pretty sure it's 4 left. Just choose whatever. I don't have any flight plans or anything right now. Arrival at, we'll take the Hobbit to, and we're going to Atlanta. We'll do that, and we'll take the Jerry transition. Click on routes, activate, execute, go to perf, fill in your information, your reserve, whatever your flight plan information is. You could go to SimBrief to get all this information. There's so many things out there. You could pay for them. You don't have to. This is my old PC, and I used to do FSX here. I figured let me install it and show people how to get this work. So let's just use something simple here, and we're gonna say 48 reserve, coindex, altitude, I don't know, 350. Click that in there, take off, and that's it. You're all done. Everything is already in your system. Execute it. Bada bing, bada boom. Go to your legs page. Just like the 737, no different. Click on that. Execute it. And your flight plan should sorry, my brother's texting me. So anyway, as you can see here, but look, we haven't changed the panel the background. I mean, if you like the default view, it's fine. Honestly, it doesn't matter. You fly whatever view you want. But some people rather have the 737 kind of look, because they're used to it. So right now, remember I told you guys that you have to go to your livery manager, for example, and let's say it has to do with this. You see how it says retro here? It says retro, American airliner, so you click on that. You look for your livery, you click on it, and that's it. It's going to install that process. Close them when you're done. Go to your sim. Open it up. Right? And now, let's go to aircraft. Select an aircraft. We're just going to change it real quick here. And let's see. Quality wings. 757 American. Let it do its process. And look. Now you see your 757 look. There's your panels. And your FMC, it's on the money. Go to your legs page, whatever. Your index, your IDEN. Make sure you try to update it. I have Navigraph. It's good to have. Everything should be up to date. Click on that and there. Look, JFK. Click on route, and fill up all your information, And well, I hope this was able to help you guys out there. Any questions, any issue, give me a holler, and keep on flying, and keep it real, There's the American airline livery, you know. Pretty nice looking, you know. I had to build a new system, which is downstairs. I have a sim downstairs that I've been working on it for a little while now. It's costing an arm and a leg. But yeah. There you go, fellas. Enjoy it. Hope everything works out. If not, give me a little shout out and then see what we can do. Hope everything works out, you know? That's the best we could do.